Thank you for buying this 10088 file organizer from FixtureDisplays.com. You can search 10088 on FixtureDisplays.com to locate this item. In this short video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions. These are all the components. You have the front panel, left side panel, back side panel, two of those, and bottom braces, bottom panel, and right hand side panel. Dividers, we have three groups, group 1, 2, and 3. Then we have casters and screws. To begin assembly, we want to identify the front panel and the left hand side panel. There are two holes on the front panel. We want to make sure they are lined up to the left hand side panel. And make sure the slot is facing toward the bottom. Then we turn it on the sideways to fasten two screws. Now we're ready to install the bottom section of the back panel. The back panel are broken into two sections, lower and upper, and make sure the slot is toward the bottom, consistent with the front panel. And there are two holes to align and then fasten on the side. If you have a light duty power drill, you can use that to save some time. Now we're going to install the upper portion of the back panel. The back panel is designed so that the package size is optimized. Otherwise, there is a significant premium charged by carriers. Now we're ready to slide the bottom panel in. You may want to close the front and back up a little bit so they don't fall down. Now we're ready to install the right-hand side panel. There are two holes on the front and four holes on the back. So take your time to make sure the pilot holes are all lined up before you fasten them. If you like this video, we can definitely use help in subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you like our product and services, please consider leaving a good seller feedback along with a good product review. These are the bottom braces designed to provide added support. You simply line them up to the bottom holes on the edge and then fasten two screws, one on each side. At this stage, we're ready to install the casters. The caster rides on the board, and we simply thread a screw through and then fasten with a nut on the other side. Make sure you have an adjustable wrench handy to do so. Now we're ready to install the inserts, the dividers. These are front to back or horizontal dividers. Make sure the taller one is positioned toward the back. Now we are going to insert the vertical dividers. It's very intuitive. The longer slot would face back, the shorter slot face front. So take your time, do a good job, and it will last a long time. Now you realize there's an overlap in the middle section. This is designed so for added strength in the middle, along with a smaller package size, as I explained earlier. In these days, a significant cost is shipping. So by doing so, we can pass along the savings to our customers. Measurements. Left to right, we have 30 inches. Front to back, we have just a little bit shy of 16 inches. The height is 29.5 inches, including the casters. The slots measurements are 4 inches wide inside dimension and 4.5 front to back. While you're on FixtureDisplays.com, we encourage you to browse many other products we have for businesses and consumers. If you have a custom project, we'd love the opportunity to quote you. CS, the Charlie Sam at FixtureDisplays.com. Have a blessed day.